Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to use order of operation to simplify an expression. And what we're going to use is an abbreviation called PEMDAS. This PEMDAS is an abbreviation which meaning P stands for parenthesis, E is exponent, M is multiplication, D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So this is what we are going to use to simplify this expression. The first one, we're going to start with what? Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction have equal priority. When you are given an expression and addition comes before subtraction. So if you look at this example 1, 8 plus 7 minus 4. You see addition comes before minus. They have equal priority, mean any one you do first. If you like, you subtract before you add, or you add before you subtract, you still arrive at the same answer. So let's try. Example 1, we are given what? 8 plus 7 minus 4. First of all, let's add. If we add, 8 plus 7 is going to give us 15. Then 15 minus 4 is going to give us 11. So now let's try whether if we subtract first before we add, if it's still going to give us the same answer as we claim. So let's subtract. 8 plus 7 minus 4 is going to be 3, and 8 plus 3 is the same as 11. That means by giving an expression, an addition comes first before minus. You can do any one first, whether you add or you minus first, it's going to give you the same answer. So this is number 1. So the next one we're going to look at is multiplication and division. This multiplication and division, we cannot say they have full priority, because in an expression, when multiplication comes first before division, I can say they have full priority. Anyone you do first, you are going to arrive at the same answer. But in a situation whereby division comes first before multiplication, you must first divide before you multiply. So let's see this example 2. We are given what? We have 18 divided by 3 multiplied by 5. Remember, when division comes before multiplication, you must divide first before you multiply. 18 divided by 3 is going to give us 6. Then 6 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 30. Now, let's see whether if we multiply before we divide, if it's going to give us the same answer. We have what? 18 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 15. Then 18 divided by 15 is going to give us 1.2. So which one is going to be the correct answer? Remember, we said earlier that if division comes first before multiplication, first divide before you multiply. So 30 is going to be the correct answer. But let's look at this example 3, that multiplication comes first before division. Example 3, multiplication 2 multiplied by 8, then before division divided by 4. Remember what I told you, in this case multiplication comes before division, so anyone you do first is going to give us the same answer. So in this case, multiplication and division have equal priority. So let's start with multiplication. 2 multiplied by 8 is going to give us 16. Then 16 divided by 4 is the same as 4. So now let's try the other way around. 2 multiplied by 8 divided by 4 is going to give us 2. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is the same as 4. So that means they have equal priority when multiplication comes before division. But when division comes before multiplication, first divide before you multiply. Now we are on parenthesis and exponent. Let's look at the expression that involve parenthesis and exponent. So we have done with example 3. So example 4 now is 1. Okay, we can use here 150 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 raised to the power of 2. So this 2 here is exponent, and this bracket you are seeing is what we mean by parenthesis. So let's use this PEMDAS. First of all, we begin with parenthesis. We finish with the one inside bracket first. So we're going to have what? 150 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 is 5, then raised to the power of 2. We are done with parenthesis. Now we are on exponent. Exponent is the power. So 150 minus 2, 5 raised to the power of 2 is the same as 25. So we are done with exponent. Now the next is multiplication. Multiplication. This is bracket meaning multiplication. So I'm going to have 150 minus 2 multiplied by 25 is going to give us 50. So the next thing is what? Division. There's no division, there's no addition. So we're going to skip this two. So the next is subtraction. 150 minus 50 is going to give us 100. So this is the simplification of this expression using PEMDAS. When you do 150 divided by 2 is 75, 75 multiplied by 5 is going, you are going to get wrong answer. So this is how to simplify this using PEMDAS. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more video like this. Thanks.